Hello guys, in this video we have these three circles: purple, orange, green. Let's make something with these three colors. Let's choose one color. Here we have green color. Let's make it flat. We made it flat with our hand. Now let's try something with this green play-doh. Oh, let's flip it. Now let's make something. Let's try a happy face. Make it two eyes and lips. Almost done. Here's the final look of our happy face. Now let's make one more thing. Here we have orange play-doh. Let's make it flat first. Now flip it over and let's make something with it. Two eyes and lips to make a sad face. Almost done. Here's the final look of our sad face. Now let's make it more visible by putting this purple on top of eyes and lips. Happy face, sad face. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.